All right, here is this bacon cheeseburger pizza, and it's 4 servings. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, shredded lettuce, onions, sugar-free ketchup, mustard, bacon bits, pickle slices, shredded mozzarella cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, pink salt, pepper, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and let's use a cookie sheet, not a pizza pan this time. I made the mistake last time doing that and it drained over. And then a 1 cupper, a half cupper, and a tablespoon. Preheat the oven to 400 and let's shape out our ground beef into a pizza shape. And then add heavily pink salt, light pepper, light garlic powder, light Italian seasoning, and pop it into the oven for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, go ahead and drain it. There won't be much grease to this one because it was a lower lean meat. And then let's dress it up with 2 tablespoons of sugar-free ketchup and 1 tablespoon of mustard, a half cup of chopped up onions, 12 slices of pickles, 2 tablespoons of bacon bits, a half cup of mozzarella cheese, and 1 full cup of the mild cheddar cheese or regular cheddar. And then add a little more garlic powder, a little more Italian seasoning, and back into the oven for 10 more minutes. After it's cooked, pull it out and let it cool for about 5 minutes because we're going to add shredded lettuce to the top. That is optional. I added a half a cup. Then slice it into 8 slices and go ahead and serve it up. It's 4 servings. This here is just 2 servings. I added a cup of the shredded lettuce for a salad and a serving of ranch dressing, which was 2 tablespoons. And this was absolutely delicious, you guys. At only 5 carbs a plate, you can't beat that. And out of the 2 pizzas, this one I would have to say was probably my favorite and definitely would be more of a favorite to your children. But you can also do just a pepperoni and cheese pizza on hamburger as well. Let's keep it keto.